This question says, suppose that the only good you purchase is hamburger and that at the beginning of the year the price is the price of a hamburger is $2. So at the beginning the price is $2. And suppose you lend $1,000 for 1 year at an interest rate of 5%. At the end of the year, a burger costs $2.08 at the end of the year. Now, what is the real rate of interest you earned on your loan? First of all, we need to know that the money at the beginning is $1,000, and this is the price at the beginning, and therefore the number of burgers purchased will be equals to the money at the beginning divided by the price of hamburger at the beginning. So this is equals to $1,000 divided by $2, and this is equals to 500 burgers. So there are 500 burgers that were purchased. Now moving on, the interest earned on lending $1,000. To solve it, we first need to know the principal. So the principal is $1,000. The interest is 5%, right? And the time is a year from the question. So the interest earned is equal to P times R times T. So this is the R, and this is equals to 1,000 times 5 times 1 divided by 100. So this equals to $50. So the interest earned is $50, and the amount received at the end of the year would be the principal plus interest. Is equals to principal plus interest, and this is equals to 1,000 plus $50. So this is equals to $1,050. Now moving on, the price of burgers at the end is $2.08 from the question, and the number of burgers purchased will be found by dividing the money at the end divided by the price at the end. So number of burgers purchased is equals to money at the end of the year divided by the price of burgers at the end of the year. And this is equal to $1,050 we just did divided by the price 2.08. So they purchased 504.80 burgers. Now the percentage increase in purchase of burger from the beginning to the end is equals to 504.80 minus what it was at first, which is 500, divided by 500 multiplied by 100 over 1. And when you solve this, you're going to get 0.96%. So therefore, the real rate of interest received on the loan will be 0.96%. Now we can find the real interest rate which the question wants by using the formula nominal interest rate minus inflation rate. So, and we know that inflation rate, the formula for this is change in price of burgers divided by the price of burgers at the beginning, the price at beginning multiplied by 100 over 1. So therefore the inflation rate will be equals to the price at the beginning, the change in price of burgers is 0.8 cents, and the price at the beginning is $2 multiplied by 100 over 1. And this will give you 4%. So there's a 4% inflation. So now we can find the real interest rate. So the real interest rate will be nominal rate, which is 5%, minus inflation rate, 4%. And this is equals to 1%. So that's the real interest rate. And we can observe that the real interest rate can be just calculated, that is 1% is equal to the actual real interest rate, that is 0.96%. So that's the answer.